Hello everybody, welcome to another indices tutorial. I'm really excited to have you all here once again. Okay, so far we have solved some indices problem. Sorry, let me put the heading on the board. Today we're talking about indices. Okay, so far we have solved some indices problem, but this kind of problem is very tough. So I would like to have a look at it. Indices problem 9 to the power of x equals to 4 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x. Now the first one I'm going to do here is to bring everything to one side of the equation. I'm going to have 9 to the x minus 4 to the x plus again minus 6 to the x is equals to 0. Now, whereas there's a certain number here which we can divide all numbers with, and that's going to be 4. Let me tell you why. Because dividing 4 with this certain number here, 6, we're going to have a 3 on 2. Still dividing with this 9, we're going to have a 3 on 2, which was going to be squared. But still, you can take any number. I'm sure we're going to have the same answer. You can check it after watching the video, okay? So, we're going to have 3 on 2 to the power of 2x if we divide this part here, okay? And this minus 1 minus 3 on 2 to the power of x equals to 0. Now again, you realize that we end up with a quadratic equation. So we just say let 3 on 2 to the x be equals to e. So here we are going to have e squared minus e minus 1 equals to 0. Now this particular equation cannot easily be factorized, so we're going to use the formula method. So e is going to be equals to, the formula is negative b plus or minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And if you have not watched my quadratic tutorial, you can make sure you check my quadratic tutorial videos. I have a whole series on that. So here e is equals to 1 by taking the coefficient plus or minus square root of 1. It's going to be plus because we're going to have minus. We're going to have 1 minus 4 into 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 4 is going to be plus 4. So we're going to have plus 4 here divided by 2. So e has to possibly answer, but in this particular problem, I'm going to use only one of the values. So e is equals to, we're going to take the greatest value, or let me say the positive side. Because in this particular problem, I'm going to use a certain mathematical expression which does not have a negative, does not get value if we use negatives numbers. So I'm going to have 1 plus 5 and 2. I'll not work with the negative part because this number is going to give me negative. Now, remember, we're not solving for e, we're solving for x. However, e is equals to 3 on 2 x. And so this 3 on 2 to the x is equals to 1 plus root 5 on 2. Now, there's one to talk about logarithm is one thing I want to mention about it, the natural log. But for now, if you don't know anything about natural log, let's assume you know something about natural log for now. What I can tell you is that you have multiplied both sides by ln. I'm going to have ln 3 on 2 to the x is equals to 1 plus root 5 on 2. All this take ln 2. Now, the second law which says that ln of a to the n is going to be equals to n ln of a. So, when I want to talk about logarithm, I want to say this law. If you're not familiar with the law, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next tutorial on logarithm. So here we're going to have x equals to, let me just take it very fast. So, or let me just have it here, x ln of 1.5 equals to, let me have a ln of 1.61803. So that advice will take most of this. So at the end of the day, when you divide this, we divide this by this to get x. X is gonna be equals to 1.18680.831. This is what I got on my calculator. I advise you to use all this so you have certain value of it. Sorry, value of 0 here. If you leave any of these decimal numbers, you end up having a very, very little numbers. However, it's still good, but you need to have value of 0. So keep all the decimal numbers. Okay guys, that was all for this video. See you in the next video. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you want to support me. If you enjoyed this video and you want others to learn like you, consider giving me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so this video can reach many other people like you. See you in the next session of this tutorial where we'll be talking about we're going to talk about logarithm, what trouble indices. So, ciao.